Good evening, and welcome to Prairie News Tonight. I'm Jessica Fournier, and tonight our topic, chronic wasting disease. What is it? How is it affecting deer populations? As well as much more. We will now send you on over to our field reporter. Good evening, and thank you for tuning in. Chronic wasting disease, otherwise known as CWD, is a prion disease affecting deer, elk, moose, and caribou. It causes extreme weight loss, excessive saliva production, lack of coordination, confusion, and weakness in the animal, and is fatal, although it can take months or years to take the animal's life. The first wild case we have confirmed was in 1981. It then started moving into domestic herds, and the number of infected deer has just increased since. Then, due to the fact that chronic wasting disease is spread so readily by saliva, urine, feces, carcasses of infected animals that contaminate the environment and pass along the disease, it has just continued to spread. The population decline is very serious. Chronic wasting disease is always fatal and spreads readily, making the infection rate very high. It kills older, more mature deer first. So as the population gets younger, reproduction rates slow, all causing smaller herds and fewer mature animals as a result. Hunters are also facing the effects of chronic wasting disease, having to look for signs and test their game for CWD, as we are not sure when or if the disease will mutate and be able to infect humans, as it is a prion disease affecting the nervous system and brain. Hunters can help with this problem by completing their hunter-harvest surveys through the Sask Hunt and Fish app, giving the government and wildlife federations more insight into the spread of this disease. Chronic wasting disease is spread through direct contact between animals in contaminated environments. CWD remains in the environment for years, and as deer move or migrate, so does the disease. People unintentionally spread CWD when they move an infected carcass to a new region, or by transporting contaminated soil. It is so easily spread because, even though it is fatal, animals can carry and spread the disease for months or years before they even present with symptoms. A vaccine is in the works. Dr. Scott Napper, a research scientist with the Veto organization at the University of Saskatchewan, has been given funding to develop an oral vaccine for chronic wasting disease that will attract deer and elk to consume the vaccine, which will also need to be temperature resistant to survive our harsh Saskatchewan winters. This vaccine will be similar to ones developed for rabies and will be found in food packets distributed for consumption. Now, back to our newsroom. Chronic wasting disease is a major problem that scientists are on their way to solving. Up next, after a short break, how to survive your first year of university.